Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Guys, pupunta kami ngayon guys ng Fiore. Kasama ko guys sila Chick Haber TV, and mamaya guys makikita magkikita pa kami. Nahanap ko pa yung Pier 6. Nahanap ko pa sila. At ayan, ngarag tayo, sobrang aga dito sa Hong Kong. Ayan yung pier na sasakyan namin. Pier 6 to nantay ko kasi. Mag-ferry kami guys. Hinintay ko pa yung mga kasama ko. Kasama ko na si TV Hammer. Ayan kami guys. Baka din marinig mo. Marinig mo? Ay, chismisan silang dalawa. Sa ating team. Pagtsatsagaan ko yung vlog. Tamad kaya ako mag-vlog pag umaalis. Kaya lagi ako walang vlog. Mahaba na pala mo ko. Bilis na. Ayan guys, nakasarap pa yung sakaya namin. Grabe naman si Lolo. Alis si Lola. Bayan ang tiyaga niya maghintay mag-open yung gate. Pupunta kami sa Alan. Hey guys, we're going to Weibo. We're going to Isaac and Olingas Fast Ferry. First time ko sumakay ng ganyan. Sana may okay. Totoo? Oh, yung ganyan ito, ka-fast ferry. Fast ferry. Ay, mag-hi naman kayo dyan. Hi vlog. Hi vlogger.
Datang masadagtan.
Really pag ibigay.
Pwede na kaya't maala itigas din. Umuun na ka ba? Ayaw niya makuha ng...
Ayaw niya makuha. Oh guys, hello guys.
Yes.
Yung anak ni Maria, ang cute siya yung nagbababay. Buti pa dyan may nagpa-participate ng vlog ko sa likod.
Pang reels. Mananggina pang reels.
Tabaga yung mukha ko sa'yo. Liit na mukha mo na. Kahit pag tumama.
Bakit baba ako?
Yung mukha mo liit na lang.
Pero yung katawan grabe.
Di pa naman. May mga...
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And where I'll go in life, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
You're the one who found him. just need one.